Hi guys, Martin here from Elektrotjanst. So I'm just about finished with this project. I have just made a few adjustments and I have tested everything, of course, with my test equipment, and it's time to show you guys how to run with the off-grid. So now I'm gonna simulate a utility loss from the grid, and we'll see what happens. So here we have the three-way switch, bypass switch, which is double fed, this side from the grid and this side from the inverter, from load. So this is now on setting 2, which is fully automatic, and let's see what happens. We have PV usage from the grid. We're right now stacking up the batteries, and we have some usage in the facility. So now we have a sudden utility loss from the grid. Okay, boom, you see that flashing? Now we're in off-grid mode, EPS state. And as you can see, all the equipment is still on, and that's it. And this is powered by Enequi, by the way, which is smart algorithms. I can show you, by the way, inside here. Now it's telling me that there is something going on, and that is that we do not have internet right now. So here we have, this is a Pigeon PLC and some other things, and a root X08, which means Enequi can connect and by remote and check up on the equipment. And so this is a pretty smart device, and the algorithm is that it combines knowledge from presumed PV input, weather forecast, and the usage of the facility, and it calculates how the next 24 hours is going to be, which means it plans, is it going to sell, is it going to fill up the batteries, what's it going to do. And right now we have over here, which I said yesterday, we have 50 kilowatts of battery, which means plenty enough to sustain this house for a long time. So that's it, guys. Sofar system powered by Enequi, Swedish company. And I'm just gonna put the lid on and do some final touches. Then it's good to go. Have a nice day.